Okay, right now, so I want to show you the settings of the Forex Hedging EA. Then I will also explain how it works so that you see how the smoke screen method really makes this EA very, very powerful. Now, let me walk you through the settings. You can see this is the Forex Hedging EA. Now you see some parameters here. They are very simple. I will explain everything to you. Now, let's take it one step at a time. Let's click OK first. I just want to show you something. I want to show you some parameters on the screen. Let's try to hold on. Perfect. Now, you see there are some parameters on the screen. So you see total buy deals, you see this area, you see this area, this area. All this information you are seeing here is going to definitely help you to know how this EA works. So now let me show you how it works. Now when you go to settings, okay, the first trade this EA is going to place depends on the exponential moving average signal. So you can change this period if you want. You can try to change it to 30 or anything, but it means if the candle closes above it or below it, then it is buy or sell. You understand? So if it closes above it, it is buy. When it closes below it, it is sell. That is going to be the first trade. You understand? Now you see something like the virtual settings. Yeah. Now let's talk about these virtual settings. Like I've explained in the past, like this is a smoke screen method because this EA is going to be trading behind the scene without taking any initial trade on your live account. It's not going to take any trade yet. It's going to continue trading on your demo account at the back of the screen. So even if you attach this EA to your live account, it's not going to do anything. It's going to be showing how it is placing the trade behind this screen. So your broker wants to know what is really going on, but something is going on because this EA has a virtual trading method where it trades behind the scene to really know the exact time for your live account to start trading. Now this is where these virtual settings comes in. You see the virtual TP. So let's try to do some examples. This is the virtual TP, this is the virtual SL, and this is the virtual starting lot size. So, and you can see this is the lot multiplier. So it means if there is a first buy trade and the first buy trade hits the SL, is going to multiply it by 2. The next lot size will be 0.01 multiplied by 2, which is going to be 0.02. Now, after that has been done, it's going to enter the next trade again. If the next trade hits SL again, it's going to multiply it by 2. That will be 0.04. You understand? So until it hits the virtual take profit. And once the virtual take profit target has been touched, then it's going to reset itself. You understand? That is what the virtual trade settings will be doing. So let's try to see some examples. Let's try to increase our TP to like 60. So it's just virtual. Nothing's going to happen. 60. Let's change this to 20. This is okay. So let's click on OK. I just want to show you something. Forget about this for now. Forget about this. I just want to work this with something. Forget about this. So let's click on OK and let's try to see what's up. Okay. So you can see. So you can see the trade have started. So you can see you'll be seeing the virtual trades here. Look at it here. 0.08 lot size is the next lot size. 0.32 now. 0.32 is the next lot size here. You can see that's the total sell for the virtual trade. This is for real trade, but no real trade yet. This is virtual trade 0.32. So if it touches the SL again, it's going to reset again to 0.64. But if it comes to this TP, then it's going to set this. It's going to reset all the total buy lot and total sell lot. So let's see what's going to happen. That's what's going to happen. You can see this is 0.64. If it comes down again without going to this TP, is going to see this is 1.28. This is 1.28. Let's see what is going to happen again. Let's see what is going to happen again. Okay, let's see it's going to touch the SL or the TP. Let's try to be patient. Okay, we are waiting. We are waiting. Let's try to be patient. So we are waiting. It's going to touch the TP. Perfect. It has touched the TP. You can see it has reset again. You can see. So it has started again. So this Forex Hedging EA is very, very good. And see, let's check the graph. You see you can see there's no any results here. You can't find any results here because this is just a virtual trade. Everything is going on behind the scene. Like I've explained, it's like a smoke screen. So your brokers don't even know what is going on behind the scene. So that is what this EA is really, really doing for you. You understand? So you can see that started again 1.28 lot size. Let's see if it's going to this TP or it's going to reset itself again. Let's see. So it's like it's checking the range area. You understand? So if the range or the consolidation area is too wide or is too much, like if there's a consolidation for a very, very long time, then it's going to continue ranging and it's going to see this is 5.12 lot size. You can see 5.12 lot size. Now okay, so let's leave it that way. Then let me try to now explain how the real trading works, because I can see it has started trading real trade there, and that is why it is in profit. But let me explain why the real trade comes in now. Now, since you understand the virtual trading settings, this is 0.01. We selected 2 as the multiplier. You understand how this works. So if you change this to 3, it means 0.01 times 3, that will be 0.03. Then in loss size will be 0.03 times 3, that will be 0.09. You understand? Now, when do you want your live account to start placing trade? When do you want this Forex Hedging EA to start placing trade on your live account? Now, this is where the real trading settings comes in. Now, it has 2 modes. The first mode is the start on lot size. So I can say I want you to start trading when you see let me say when you see 4 lot size. When you see 4 lot size on your virtual trade. Do you understand the magic now? So when you see 4 lot size on your virtual trade, that is when I want you to start trading on my live account. You understand? So this one stands for start trading when last virtual lot is 4.0. We'll talk about this later, but let's talk about this first. So once you select this start on lot size, it means you have to select this. You understand? Now let's forget about this for now. Now, real trade settings, maximum open order. So I don't really use this maximum open order because maximum open order means that when the live account opens, maybe like the maximum open order of what you've selected is not going to open another order again. You understand? So I don't really use it, but let's assume I set it to 90. Let's assume. Okay, now real TP, I might say I want to set my real TP to also be maybe I may decide to say I want to set the real TP to be the same as the virtual TP if I like. But if I like, I can say I don't really like that. I might decide to change it. Let me just change it to 40. Then my risk stop loss, it depends on you. You might decide to say, okay, I want to use the same thing as the virtual trading stop loss. I want to use my normal loss stop loss. So let me change this to let me change it to 30. Then let me change this to 60 because I like the risk to reward ratio to be very, very good. Then your starting lot size, that will be the starting lot size on your live accounts. So it means, let's assume there's a 4.0 lot size on your virtual trade. It means when you want to start trading, that is when you want to start. It means that is when you want to start trading on your live account, right? Now, what is the lot size you want to start with when you start trading on your live account? That is where this real starting lot size comes from, you understand? So I can start with 0.01. Then I can use the real lot size multiplier to be 2.0. So it depends on you, but I like using maybe like 1.5 or 1.3, but let's just keep it this way for this setting so you understand. So now we are waiting for 4.0 lot size to occur on a virtual trade before we take our first trade on our live account. So let's see how it's going to work now. So you can see this 0.09. So you are waiting for 0.4 lot size. 0.27, let's see, 0.81, 2.43. We're waiting for 4.0. We're waiting for 4.0. Once we see 4.0, the live account is going to start trading. You can see right now, no any trade. There's no any trade here because we are waiting for 4.0 to kick in. So it's very good for trading ranging or consolidation markets, you understand. So this virtual trade is going to track the consolidation area for you and the range market for you. So let's see, you can see it has started trading because it has gone from 2 point something to 4 point something. So this is your total buy lot of 0.01 now. So you can see it has started its first trade. The second trade is on now. That is 0.02. That's your second trade of your live account. You can see. So let's try to be patient. This is our TP. Let's try to be patient. This is a very, very wonderful year. Very, very wonderful year. Very, very wonderful year. So you can also see some information about your EAA. 0.01 lot size, your real starting lot size, then 2.0 is your lot multiplier, then your real take profits is 60, stop loss is 30, you understand? So everything is explained there. Then you can see how these trades are being opened real time. This 0.02, that's the last lot size of the total sell lot. So let's see what's next again. We are waiting for it to touch this take profit, or maybe it's going to go back again and open for 0.04 lot size on your real live account. So I hope you really understand how this smoke screen concept is really, really working, like trying to conceal your intentions to make it difficult for other people to understand. See, now it has closed in profit. You can see very, very perfect. So it's going to start again from the virtual lot size. See, the virtual lot size has already started again. Total sell lot is 0.01. Total sell lot is 0.01. So let's see if it's going to open for buy. That will be 0.02. Let's try to hold on again. So you can see 0.03. Okay, 0.09. Okay, the multiplier is 3. This is the virtual loss multiplier is 3. So 2.43 again. And you can see the live account has already started trading again. This is 0.01. You can see. This is 0.02. You can see. You can see it here. This is 0.02. We are still waiting for it to see what is going to happen. So this concept is really, really worth it. It's really, really worth it. So if you like, you can decide to say, I want to see a very, very wide consolidation for a very long time before I start placing trade on my live account. You understand? So you might decide that is how you want to trade. So it's going to give you a lot of room before you place a trade on your live account, which makes it easier for your account to have a very, very low drawdown. You understand? So you can see 0.04 is the last loss size of the sell on your live account. So let's see if it's going to go to TP or not. I think it's going down. It's going down. Let's see. So this is the TP. So let's see if it's going to close it. Perfect. So you can check it again. You can see this is it. So it's going to reset itself again and it's going to start trading the virtual trades. Okay, now let me show you another settings. So now let's assume you want to use the number 2. That is start trading type, maybe number 2. See, start on order. So it means it's not going to use this. It means it's going to use this. So it means once it sees a number of order, that is when it's going to start trading. So let's assume I set it to 5. It means once the virtual trade has opened 5 orders without closing in profit, the first order is going to close in stop loss, the second order is going to close in stop loss, the third order is going to close in stop loss, then the fourth order is going to close in stop loss again. Then once it opens the fifth order, that is when it's going to start trading on your live account. You understand? So let's try to see if it's going to work. Okay, let's try to use 3 so that we can try to see. So let's try to check it. So this is the first order, 0.01. The second order is 0.03. So you can see that the third order, immediately it opened the third order on virtual lot size, it started trading on your live account. See, you can see, because we have chosen start on order, which means when virtual order is 3, that is when we want to start trading on our live account. That is when it opened the trade, when it says the third order is about to open. You understand? So I hope you really understand that concept there. So there's nothing hard there. So those are the settings. Then you don't need to touch this. It's just going to show you the virtual buy line, the virtual sell line. There's going to show you the list of the virtual trade on your screen, because you want to really see what is going on behind the scene. You understand? So these are the settings, and it is very, very simple. Like, it makes it very easier for you to track a ranging market, consolidation market. Then it's going to use a smoke screen method to really trade behind the scene without your broker knowing what is really going on, and your trade will come to life at a particular time you've selected on the settings. You understand? So if you have any other questions or you have any other feedback, just let me know. I'm always here to always help you.